Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today really quick to show y'all how to make a tiger's eye and lava bead men's bracelet. Okay, and we're going to be using some, and I'm going to show y'all, we're going to be using some stretch magic cord. Before I get started, y'all, I just want to tell y'all where y'all can get these beads. Okay, these tiger eye beads I ordered from Amazon. Lava beads I also ordered from Amazon. Okay, so we won't be needing the round nose pliers. We're only going to be needing the wire cutters. You're also going to need a spacer bead. Now, the spacer bead that you choose to use, you want to make sure that the hold is big enough. Okay, this is what okay, there it is. Okay, make sure that the hole is big enough. And this is for when you tie your knot so that your knot won't be noticeable, okay? Now, it's up to you. You can put glue on it if you choose to, but I'm not going to be using any glue to put onto my string, okay? So basically what we're going to do is I'm just going to take my cord, and this was a requested video. I was looking through some of my comments, I'm going to say some weeks back, and someone asked me about men's jewelry because Father's Day is this Sunday, y'all. So with that being said, we're going to learn how to make a beautiful bracelet, okay? So tiger's eye, of course, y'all know the tiger's eye have healing components and all that good stuff in it, and lava beads and all that stuff. Okay, so we're going to just be putting these two together to make an awesome bracelet. So basically I'm going to be using four, and I'm moving too fast. These tiger eye beads are 10 millimeter, and so is the lava beads. Okay, they're 10 millimeter. So basically I'm going to be using four. I'm going to put on four of these tiger's eyes first. Okay, I'm doing four onto my string, and then I'm going to add on the both sides of my, on the both sides of my strings, I'm going to add 3 lava beads. So I'm going to add 3 on one side, and then I'm going to add 3 on this side right here. Okay. So there you have it. Next, I'm going to add 3 of my tiger's eye on both sides. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to turn it this way and add 3 more on my other side. 2 and 3. Okay. And then I'm going to add 2 of my lavas on both sides. So that's 1 and 2. And then I'm going to come on this side and add 1 and 2. Now, men's jewelry is way different than ours. And this is what you're going to have. This is what it's going to look like. Okay. Now, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see, I'm going to try, put my hand through it. Now, the thing about men's, their wrist is, bigger than ours, okay? So you just want to make sure you have enough, and you also want to measure or try to get a good measurement of your husband's wrist or whoever you're making this for. because men don't, their bracelets aren't tight. They have some, they like to wear their bracelets loose. They like it to, you know, move around on their arm a little bit. They don't like stuff to be tight, okay? So I'm going to put on my, I'm looking at this. I'm going to put my arm through. Yep, that's good right there. And then I'm going to add my spacer bead. Now my spacer bead is going to be the last thing that I add on. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do, this is what you're going to have. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just tie a knot in this. And most of the time when I tie mine, I tie it twice. So that's the first knot. And then I'm going to tie it one more time. Now, like I said, if you want to, you can put some glue in there. It's completely up to you. Okay. Now see, if you look down the, I can't really show you down the bottom, but it's still some space in here. So this will fit my husband's wrist perfect. Okay, and it still won't be tight on him. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to snip off this extra right here, because you don't want to leave that hanging there. You want to check it over, make sure everything is good. Make sure it's nice and tight. Like I said, if you want to, you can put some, you can add some glue on it. It's completely up to you. I'm going to snip that till about right there. And then I'm just going to pull that through. And where I use my spacer bead, that's going to hide the cord. So here you have it. This is your beautiful men's bracelet. And we did it with, like I said, the tiger's eye and the lava beads. Now, basically what you can also do, if you want to, you can make a man's bracelet using all tiger's eye, or you can make it using all of the lava beads. It's completely up to you on the look that you want your man or your friend or whoever you're making this for to have. Okay, but this is really nice. And it's not, it's actually, there you go. Okay. So I just wanted to come to you all really quick just to show you something that you could put together. Like I said, I found these at Amazon, but you should be able to go to any craft store and find these beads. Now, the size is what the problem is going to be. I ordered these from Amazon because most craft stores don't sell. They sell the smaller size. So these are 10 millimeter. But I know it's a little too late now to try to order this. But what I'm going to say is you can do this with any kind of beads. It doesn't necessarily have to be this. Okay. Whatever beads you got, if it's wood beads, whatever beads you got, make your man or your friend or whoever it's for something really nice. Okay, so with that being said, I want to thank you all for taking the time out to watch this video. I greatly appreciate it so very much. And if you are new, if this is your very first time to this here platform, please make sure you subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side, so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And until the next one, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.